Welcome back, fellas, up to Express. Today I'm going to show you a very easy way how to get started downloading your Steam in a very easy way using your computer. So this process actually is not that hard. The first thing we're going to do, of course, is walk you through the download installer. So if you open the web browser and go to the official website, you can go into Google and type Steam, and you can see that here's the official website. It says store.steampower.com. You can click into it, or you can just focus into this prominent Install Steam button, usually located into the upper right hand corner of this page. When I click directly into this element, this will be sending us directly into the section that says About. Inside About, we have now the Steam element support section that you can click directly in here, and depending on the actual computer you're going to be using, you might be seeing here the availability of it. So for example, let's say that I'm using a Windows laptop, so that's the reason why this one appears as Install Steam. But you can download also the section that says here the Steam application. You can see here that this is for Chrome and app and all of that. So what we're going to do, of course, is to choose this element. It says the Steam setup. I clicked into it, and it says that if you want to allow the Steam to install this element, so you'll be taken to the download page. When you click into download, you are now into the setup wizard. So once the download is completed, the wizard will be starting. So we can confirm the installation location. You can choose the language. Now, unless you know what you're doing, keep the default location and click install. The installation is very quick. Once finished, ensure the run Steam box is checked and clicked into install. So in this case, this directory, I'm going to just leave this as it is. Don't move absolutely anything. I do not recommend you guys to move anything around that. So just go for the option that says install. I'm not pretty sure if I already have this Steam already into my account. So as you can see, since I already have this installed, I won't be clicking into install so far. So just hit it to install. So when you have now done this process, the Steam will now launch, update itself with the latest components and open the login screen. So if you already have an account, you can log in, and if you are new, you click into the option that says create a new account button. So in my case, if you want Steam to always log in when you are turning on your computer, what you want to do is to go for your settings. Directly here into your settings, I'm going to look out for logged in options like this. And here into this logged in options, what you can do is to change the default applications that were already been signed in. So in my case, I think that my Steam account has already been signed in, so I don't need to do this a lot. But in my case, what I need to do is to add my own passcode. Here for the option, it says sign in. And now just a quick piece of advice: if you already have Steam into your mobile, for example, what you can do is just to scan this QR code, so you are not going to be able to, let's say, add your account here directly into Steam. So now I'm not going to be focusing a lot into signing into Steam because I think I have a little bit of a problem with my account, but basically you will be now inside your Steam account. So Steam will be sending a verification link to your email if you don't have an account. So just in case, for example, this is only for users that don't have an actual account into Steam. So instead of just choosing the option that says sign in with account name, choose the option that says I can't sign in, or just focus into this element that says create an account. Here into create an account, what you just need to do is to type here your email address, as well as to confirm the same email address. You can choose the country of your residence. If you're a human, of course, and you are more than 30 years age old, and agree to the terms of services, and hit into the option that says continue. So as I just told you, Steam will be sending a verification link to the email. You can check your inbox and click into the link to verify your ownership. So finally, return to the Steam client, set your desired account name and the passcode, and then you are welcome to log it in anytime. and you might be now inside the actual Steam. So that is it. You have successfully downloaded Steam and created your account. You can now access the store to find free games to purchase new titles. So if you have any questions, you can let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools out to Express. And well guys, hopefully with all this being said, we can see you next time. See you guys.